Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within Roblox. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in roblox.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Roblox website where you can log into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to change the language for your Roblox application or website, click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Now within the settings page, underneath account info, if you scroll down, you will find the language option. Click on the drop down menu and you will see the various different languages that are available for Roblox. Just click on your preferred language and then this will change the interface into your selected language right away. You can come back to this menu at any time and change your language based upon your desire. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language within Roblox. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.